Welcome to your channel name, the place where we transform our bodies and minds, one workout at a time. Here, you'll find simple yet powerful exercises you can do at home, no fancy equipment needed. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, we've got workouts tailored to your level, designed to help you build strength, burn fat, and boost your energy. Our mission is simple, to help you become the best version of yourself. Just a few minutes a day can make a huge difference. Stay consistent, follow along, and watch your transformation begin. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new workout. Let's move, let's grow, and let's crush those goals starting now.
In this video, you'll discover 11 powerful Kegel exercises for men that help strengthen your pelvic floor muscles, improve physical performance, and boost control and confidence. Kegel exercises are simple yet highly effective. You can do them anytime, anywhere, without any equipment, and get amazing results with consistency. In this video, you will learn how to locate and activate your Kegel muscles correctly, 11 effective exercises to strengthen them step by step, common mistakes to avoid, a simple daily routine for best results, benefits, stronger pelvic floor muscles, better body control and endurance, increased confidence and focus, improved blood circulation and energy. Watch the full video to learn how to perform these exercises properly and effectively. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get all our new workouts and fitness tips. Are you doing Kegel exercises but not seeing real results yet? The secret isn't how many times you do them, it's how consistently and correctly you train. Make it a daily habit, just like brushing your teeth. Do your sessions at the same time every day and focus on control and quality, not speed or intensity. Stay consistent, be patient, and don't rush progress. After 2 weeks, you'll notice better control and stability, and within a month, you'll start feeling stronger, more confident, and more in tune with your body. Remember, consistency beats perfection. Breathe deeply, stay focused, and give your muscles time to grow. Don't chase quick results, build lasting strength instead. Start today, and you'll thank yourself in just a few weeks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more powerful training tips every week. Every workout you do is an investment in your strength and confidence. Power doesn't come from the body alone. It comes from a strong mind that never quits. It's okay to feel tired. What matters is that you don't give up. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll be amazed by your progress. The difference between success and failure is simple: those who keep going. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our new workouts. Keep practicing regularly and you'll see great results soon. See you in the next video.